Alright, what's up guys, it's Marc Augustine, and here in this video we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day with Amazon dropshipping. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Sorry, with my towel for when I get ready to get in the pool. But yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. In the description I'll put a link to the Grind Camp Telegram group as well as the Facebook group, The Marc Show. So if you want to be on the channel, join the group, let me know. If you have any specific questions, I'll make follow-up videos answering your specific questions. So, we're talking about Amazon dropshipping. Amazon dropshipping, I've mentioned a lot of times, it's been around for a long time. You can make anywhere from $100 a day. Some people make as much as $1,000 a day. I had posted a video, I interviewed Ty, where he sold $300,000 a month and was making more than $1,000 a day. He was making close to $2,000 a day, which is insane. But a lot of you guys are beginners. A lot of you guys want to know in advance how much money you need, what resources you need in order to make $100 a day with Amazon dropshipping. So this is what we're going to get into. So first of all, out of all the different platforms that you can dropship on, Amazon, Facebook, eBay, Walmart, Facebook shops, Amazon requires you to have some credit, cash or credit. Why? There are two reasons. One, Amazon charges 15% fees, similar to Walmart. And two, Amazon pays every 2 weeks. So you'll be like, why, Marc, why would I sell on Amazon if I could sell on Facebook, if I could sell on this? The good thing is Amazon can scale really quickly. There's a lot of traffic, but there are a lot of mines in this road to success. So first, you want to have the correct suppliers. You don't want to use Walmart. 3 suppliers that I suggest you use are Home Depot, Zoro.com, and Vitacost. So first, you need the suppliers. That's one. 2, you need the right software. So I personally, for Amazon dropshipping, suggest OAGenius. OAGenius automates most of the Amazon dropshipping process. And there's a link in the description for the free trial to OAGenius. So that's 2. 3, let's talk about the money. So you want to have enough money for about 6 months worth of running your business. So software-wise, you're going to pay about $200 a month for software. That saves you a lot of time, saves you about 70% of the time when dropshipping. So 200 by 6, that's $1,200. So you need $1,200 for software expenses. 2, in order to make $100 a day, you're going to be selling about you're making about $3,000 a month, so you'll be selling about $30,000 to $40,000 a month because the profit margin is between 10 and 15%. But for ease of calculation, let's just say you're making 10% profit margin. So every 2 weeks, you'll get paid. Every 2 weeks, you'll be selling about $15,000 a month. Taking away that 15% charges, you're going to pay about $2,000 for Amazon fees. So you'll receive about $13,000. From that $13,000, you'll be making about $1,500 profit. So your cost of goods is $11,500. So generally speaking, you're going to need about 10 to 11, let's say $11,000 to $12,000 of credit. Understand what I'm saying? $11,000 to $12,000 credit plus $1,200 in expenses. That is just going to be there because you're going to be spending that every month on the software. And that is the resources you need to make $100 a day. Now, you're going to ask, yeah, Marc, but that's just the money, that's just the software, how many listings do I need? Now, the good thing about Amazon, I've been able to make $100 a day on about 3 different items. You're not going to find those 3 different items immediately. You're not going to rank and get the buy box immediately. You may have to list, I would say, about 100 to 150 items for beginners. I have a lot of experience. I can just go look at my history and find 10 top selling items. But if you're starting from scratch, you're going to want to list between 100 and 150 items. And with OAGenius, that only takes about a couple hours, to be honest. When you run through the different categories using the automatic product research system, it would only take you a couple hours. So the strategy of finding the items, you could find on my channel in a number of videos. The software walks you through that, but you're not going to be make $100 a day without having about $12,000 in credit. And you'll be like, Mark, $12,000 credit is a lot. But what else can you do with $12,000 that would make you $3,000 a month? And remember, that money doesn't disappear. You spend the money, you get it back, you pay off your credit card. So anyway, guys, that's just a quick summary of what you need to make $100 a day on Amazon dropshipping. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section anything you want to know. I did an interview with a dude who does Amazon automation, so check out that interview. I'll put a link in the description. And if you guys are interested in automation, let me know as well. Have a good one, guys. Peace.